This is my son's 2021 KTM EXC 500. The motorcycle is less than 1 year old, and we discovered this broken motor mount, completely snapped in half. Eventually, this motor mount on the other side broke as well. These are the two original motor mounts, both snapped in half. My son purchased this motorcycle from a local dealership brand new. The only modifications are this fuel control, and we did some modifications to the inside of the stock can. This motorcycle has about a dozen sessions on the supermoto track, about 2 trail rides with the dirt tires, and a little bit of street riding. We also have dirt bikes, and the dirt bikes have been abused, ridden hard. This bike has not seen that type of use, so we don't understand why a 2021 KTM would break the motor mounts like that. Let us know what you guys think. The motorcycle's now about 2 years old. It has 111 hours on it, less than 4,000 miles. And those first 2 motor mounts were under warranty and replaced by KTM, and this third motor mount that's broken is now out of warranty. We are curious if other people had a similar experience and what they did to resolve the problem.